Hi students, let me go over some of the chords for Never My Love. And it starts with a C. If you'll notice in the chords at the top of the sheet, it looks like the first fret, but they've got a 3 fret, means this is the 3rd fret, the C we traditionally play. We know C, we know G. B flat is the one we need to revisit with the first finger down on 2 strings. At the first fret, the first finger holds down strings 1 and 2, and then the second finger, 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then the 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the 4th string. And the strum for this song is just down, 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 da, da, down, 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 like da, 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 B flat, da, da, da. Now here's B flat. Then it goes to an F. Also, further into the song, A minor we know, C and F we know, but at the chorus, what makes you think love will end? An E. Now, the E they show is a very awkward E, where you have your fingers so crisscrossed. It's crazy. Now, another way to play E is you simply move the D chord 2 frets up and then put your first finger. Now here's D. Some of you play D like this on the 2nd fret. Now if you play it on the 4th fret, that's an E. I don't think that sounds good. What makes you? It sounds better as an E7th. What makes you think love will? Like that. Now, the E7th is first finger on the 1st fret of the G string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the C string, and then your ring finger is on the 2nd fret of the high A, and it looks like this. Let's listen to that. Okay, there it is. There it is. So E7th instead of E, and that crazy configuration they show at the top. What makes you think love will end when you know that? Oh, see. What makes you 3, 4? What makes you think love will end when you know that my whole life depends? 8 strums on you, on you. And then it goes back to ba 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 ba. And the tempo, I think we'll take it about ba 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 ba. Never my love, never my love. Now, the opening lick, let's look at that. What is wrong with this picture? Well, it's a guitar tablature. This is for a guitar's 6 strings. And if I translate what these notes are, an E, F, and then a B, and then a C, you can do the same thing on a ukulele on the first 2 strings. So, in other words, open E, and then first finger, and then 3rd fret, and then 2nd finger on the A, da, 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 da. Let me do it again. So it's the second string, first finger on the first fret, third finger on the third fret, then on the A, second fret. When you have a low G, it would sound like this. And with a low G, it's not a bad sound. That's the fourth finger of the fourth fret of the G, and then an open C. That's a C, and this was a C. So I do. Ba, 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 ba. And that's the opening lick. It's like after every bridge. And so on. All right, have fun with that.